Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and in the news, GPT 4.0 is right around the corner, and with it apparently is going to come the ability to work with video in some way. That's kind of exciting. I don't know what that means for ChatGPT, but if you have not yet started using ChatGPT, you got to try it. Seriously, it's a thing. It's absolutely a thing, and once you start using it, you'll realize, oh, I should have used this months ago, because it's that easy to use. And I started to think of ways that I use it and ways you might want to use it and how to slipstream it into your regular workflow. One way is you could use it to refine emails. Instead of writing a wall of text, or let's say you're chatting with someone and you've written a wall of text, you can have ChatGPT summarize it. And in fact, some people, if they're doing video and they need to write a script and they don't know where to begin, they send their idea to ChatGPT and then ChatGPT does it for them. It saves them so much time. It's an amazing editor, especially if you feed it information and give it context in your prompting. That's a thing. So I would say if you do any amount of writing, ChatGPT is a boon. A second way you can slipstream it into your regular workflow is you can use it to generate, sorry, I keep slapping the mic there. You can use it to generate the ideas. You can use it to generate. I should use this to write a script, shouldn't I? And stick to it. Generate ideas to solve problems. Or if you normally go to a search engine and search for articles on how to solve problems, you can ask ChatGPT and have a dialogue, an ongoing dialogue around a particular topic to ideate and get closer to finding a solution and thinking through the problem in talking to this bot. It's amazing for the ideation process if you've not yet used that. And the third way that you can get ChatGPT integrated into your life is you can use it to do quick searches on information that it would have, like modern or modern information, information that is, let's say, that's not a part of the model over the past few years, not going to be all that helpful. But the other day we were at the bus stop, Jedi and I, we were waiting for her to get on the bus, and the neighbor dad and I were talking, and he said, hey, who are the original Avengers in the comics? I'm like, I'm not exactly sure. So he gets on Google, he does his search, and I'm on ChatGPT, and I asked the same question because I knew that information was already out there. And moreover, I wasn't going to get inundated with ads or go to a spammy website or just get slapped with something I didn't want to see. ChatGPT was able to give me the right information cleanly, quickly, efficiently. It worked exceedingly well. No ads, no wait. It was there, right there. Now, maybe you have other ways to integrate ChatGPT. Feel free to share them. We were throwing a few about tonight on live.pirillo.com.